Tehillim 48. A Song. A Psalm by the sons of Korah. Great is Yahuwah, and greatly to be praised, in the city of our Elohim, in his holy mountain. Beautiful in elevation, the joy of the whole earth is Mount Zion, on the north sides, the city of the great King. Elohim has shown himself in her citadels as a refuge. For, behold, the kings assembled themselves, they passed by together. They saw it, then they were amazed. They were dismayed, they hurried away. Trembling took hold of them there, pain as of a woman in travail. With the east wind you break the ships of Tarshish. As we have heard, so we have seen, in the city of Yahuwah Tsebaot, in the city of our Elohim. Elohim will establish it forever. Selah. We have thought about your chesed, Elohim, in the midst of your temple. As is your name, Elohim, so is your praise to the ends of the earth. Your right hand is full of righteousness. Let Mount Zion be glad. Let the daughters of Yehudah rejoice because of your judgments. Walk about Zion and go around her. Number its towers, mark well her bulwarks, consider her palaces, that you may tell it to the next generation. For this Elohim is our Elohim forever and ever. He will be our guide, even to death.